everybody. Milton, Washington, Tech 1999 back here again with a special guest. Biggest package I've gotten in quite a while. Let's go ahead and get right into it. And my dog Ranger's gonna try to unbox it with me, because why not? Oh boy, we got another one. And here we go. Jump box, air compressor, AC inverter, all in one. I've wanted one of these for so many. Wanted one of these for so many years. Finally got it, and I am stoked as ever. And this is the one time I need my dog to stop being a loudmouth. Let's see if I can get it out of the box with one hand. Okay. Change immediately, or charge immediately upon purchase. Say no more. Alright, inside the box, we don't have really that much protective packaging at all. If any, we have these two foam pads and that's it. User manual, unit itself, and it's pretty straightforward. That's all we got. Right. More stuff to start a fire with. Charge for 36 hours after purchase. You guys can read all that if you want to. This is the Spanish side of it. Okay, I'm going to read the owner's manual, and then I'm just going to play around with this in about 2 days while I wait for it to charge up. Go ahead and just take a preview of it real quick. On the back, we have the outlet itself to plug it in with. We have the air compressor, the bag with all the fittings for the air compressor, the jump start cables. The bottom, nothing important on the sides at all. Nope, nothing. The front, if you guys want to read that, you're more than welcome to pause right now. There we go. We've got a light up front, an LED. We have the jump start switch. We have a selectable button to choose between seeing what the battery percentage is, switching between the inverter, the AC inverter, and the air compressor. Let's see, this is how you turn on and off the USB accessories. I believe this is to set the PSI on the compressor, if I'm reading that right. It's possible. And then, see, we have two 12-volt DC connections. We have the two 120-volt AC connections. And then the two 2.1 amp 5-volt connections. So that's pretty much straightforward. I might as well make a follow-up video while I inflate my tires and possibly do a jump start on my Accord, because it's been sitting there for about a month or so, just to really show off this thing's capabilities. So I will see you guys for the follow-up. So this is a demo of the air compressor. I have it set to start off at 40 psi. So 30 psi right now. I'm going to pump it up to 50 after that.